Hi everyone. So I've gotten a few questions about question 6 and 7 on your Webassign. So I just made a quick video to remind you of what it's asking for. So it's asking for use implicit differentiation to find an equation of the tangent line. And it's basically saying take the derivative with respect to x. Okay. So x squared plus xy plus y squared equals 36 is just saying let's write the equation of the tangent line. So the first thing I need to do is take the derivative with respect to x. So the derivative of x squared with respect to x is 2x dx over dx. And then this xy is a product rule. So I have the two parts, which are x and y, and the derivative of x with respect to x is dx over dx, and the derivative of y with respect to x is dy over dx. So product rule says x dy over dx plus y plus 2y dy over dx equals 0. Now we're going to simplify, so 2x plus x dy over dx plus y plus 2y dy over dx equals 0. That's step 1. Step 2 is to put everything with a dy over dx on one side and everything else on the other. Factor out the dy over dx. So then I get dy over dx equals negative 2x minus y over x plus 2y. So there's my derivative. And now I'm going to take my coordinate of 6, 0, and I'm going to plug it in for x and y. So this is going to become negative 12 minus 0 over 6 plus 0, or negative 2. And then my equation just becomes negative 2 times x minus 6 plus 0. For number 7, it says use implicit differentiation to write the equation of the tangent line at the given point. So let's do this thing. So x plus y, x plus dy over dx minus 0. And now we're stuck with a chain rule. So we have a u, which is x cubed plus y cubed, and an f of u, which is an ln u. U prime is 3x squared plus 3y squared dy over dx, and f prime of u is 1 over u. Putting the pieces together, I get 3x squared plus 3y squared dy over dx times 1 over x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus dy over dx. So put together anything that has a dy over dx on one side. By the way, there would not be a question to this level on your quiz, don't worry, on your test, I'm sorry. So this becomes 3x squared over x cubed plus y cubed plus 3y squared dy over dx over x cubed plus y cubed equals x plus dy over dx. Anything with a dy over dx is staying on one side. Everything else is going to the other. So I have 3y squared dy over dx times 1 over x cubed plus y cubed minus dy over dx equals x minus 3x squared over x cubed plus y cubed. And depending upon your algebra skills, you could go ahead and plug in all of your x's and y's right now and then solve for dy over dx. That's probably going to be easier for a lot of you. So for instance, this is y is 0. So this whole term will become 0. And then this becomes 1 minus 3 over 1 plus 0. Or so this becomes negative dy over dx equals -2. dy over dx equals 2. Final equation, x 2 times x minus 1 plus 0. Hope this helps.